So what are you up to?
Getting myself ready. Got a big TV show coming up, so got to look the part for the telly, haven't we?
Yeah, and who's presented it, or can't you say? Is it too risky?
I'm not sure. I think I probably could say because it's Claudia Winkleman.
Hey.
Can't say what channel, but done
She's
a
got
little bit of research.
She's got lovely hair, so you've got to make sure it's
exactly. Yeah.
Watching those wonderful hands off the invisible lady. Right, Zoe's using the template, and Sean's demanding it goes lower. Sean wants three eyebrows, which is unnatural.
But bit back.
You want three eyebrows.
Three and a bit.
Three eyebrows, I call it. Can't go too low. Trying to hide your face, aren't you, with a hair system? You can say
Get rid of that ugly thing.
This is Sean Nyland's system, who's going on TV this week. It's a poly silk perimeter, hair for all lace in the middle, very natural, and a lace front. So this will be on telly on Friday. Here we go again, Sean Nyland's system. The TikTok sensation who's on TV, pre-cut, even looks good uncut, doesn't it, when it's a well-made system. I'll just show you on the block just how good the hairline looks. With the lace colour, perfect for this mannequin. The excess lace gets cut in just before we attach. There we go. This is uncut hair system, and look how good it looks without any stylist work. An uncut hair system cannot look good if it's not well made on a block. The tape we are using for Sean is lace tape at the front and ultra tape around the sides. He does have ultra adhesive on top of the tape to give him a 2 or 3 week hold. The reason we will use lace tape at the front because it is better hairline created from that tape. This is the ultra hold on the perimeter. There we go. Beautiful.
So not to move, just tickling my nose.
Yeah, hold it. One Direction.
You liking the fringe?
Oh, I love In the Fringe. Dougal, for those of you that remember Magic Roundabout. My YouTube followers are over 40. And for the youngsters, it's One Direction look, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Lovely hair, isn't it? Yeah?
I'll tell you when I can see.
Trust me. So Sean's got the ultra tape on the side with ultra adhesive. Lace tape at the front with a little bit of ultra adhesive. Just in case Claudia, what's her name?
Claudia Winkleman.
Pulls your hair.
Yeah, we don't want that. Hey.
I wish I filmed the way you look then, Zoe. Unfortunately, I can only do your hands, can't I?
Yes.
Oh, she speaks. Right, come along nicely. Isn't it, Zoe? Oh, she just nodded.
The voice is gone.
She was devastated she spoke on the last...
She's lost her voice again.
Yeah.
Put some product in.
Not yet.
Not yet, but in a second.
So Sean's doing the check-in. Because he likes it all messy, trendy look.
Bit of surfer paste.
Let's watch this dude style his hair.
I literally just mess it up, if I'm honest with you. I don't do that much with it.
Well, show us what you do.
I'm just rubbing it through. Keeping it pretty much as it is, just add a bit of volume with it.
Get it the way you want it.
There we go. That's pretty
Have a
much
look.
it.
Look at the camera. Big thumbs up.
Hey!
Hey, thanks Sean. Good luck on TV.
Thank you very much.